Hi, I have just created this video for those friends who are struggling to get the blocks on Amazon. In order to do that, we need an app which is called Auto Clicker. We go to Play Stores. Over here we will type Auto Clicker, and to go down, this quick touch is free app and it's very effective as well. It will click and swap as well. So I'll install this quick touch app. This is free app. I just open it. It will ask me to grant the permission. I will grant the permission. Go down and find these are the all apps installed. The quick touch automatic, I just grant the permission. Go back, start, go down, installed services, click on installed services. This is quick touch auto clicker. Turn it on, allow, go back. Now you will see this screen. First is single click you want, other is multi click the target. So we will choose multi click target. This is the instructions. You can, if you want to read, you can read. I will skip it for now. This on right hand side, this screen appear. So I'll go back to my Amazon Flex app. Over here I will add one button here, and if I keep press the plus, it will show me two start and end button. So this is used for swap. Like when you click on the block, after that you need to swap over here. This is starting location, this is end location, so it will swap. So over here I'll just click on play button, and whenever some block come over here, it will click and swap and get the block for me. Look, you can see it's accepted the block very quickly. As soon as block appear, it accepted the block. So and see on 23rd I got this block. If I want this block, it's okay. If I don't want this block, I forfeit this block. So again I can go back, and that's how you can get the block earlier than anyone else. That's very effective app, and at the same time it's free. Hope it helped. Thank you.